stuffed animal snuggle in a microwave. Yeah, I'm doing the microwave. Don't try this at home. Turn the light on. We're testing out, as you can see by the title, we've checked. Put this, one of my brother's stuffed animals in the microwave. We're gonna see what's gonna happen to him. He's just in there. Okay then. How long did we put him in there for?
A minute.
1 minute. He's been in there for 30 seconds already.
You could just see him like going around in
He's
circles.
gonna catch on fire. Only he's not gonna.
Whoa.
Yes, don't try this. He might blow up and he's gonna set the whole house on fire. Maybe. You have to stay to the end of the video to see. Okay.
Alright, let's see.
Oh! What? Nothing happened to him? What? He's not even that hot.
Yeah, he's not supposed to be that hot. There you go.
Okay, well that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button. This video is definitely not my best. It's just kind of random. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day and see you guys in the next video.